Hello, good morning. It's a rather grey, wet and miserable Friday the 2nd. I'm FxPlew and there's been a break in the rain, so I'm out for the brief with Bertie. Sterling fell to a fresh 2-year low yesterday. We broke through the 115 level against the dollar. That was all driven by a combination. We had stronger dollar yields, of course. We've got a bit of risk aversion as China returns to lockdown. And the prospect that UK inflation could go over 20% certainly didn't help. Market sentiment really seems to have shifted against the pound for the time being. And lack of leadership has something to do with this, of course. The results of the leadership race will be announced on Monday, coinciding with the end of Parliament's summer recess. And there are rumours that the Treasury has been put on standby as a mini budget may be presented fairly soon after the new Prime Minister moves into number 10. But all that can wait. That can wait until after the weekend. Despite the dollar index being driven up to the 110 level yesterday, today is all about non-farm payrolls. Before you cut to the comments to pop your bid in for the sweepstake though, I've got some other employment data worth considering. We had Challenger job cuts out yesterday and that saw a drop from about 25.8 thousand to about 20.5. Fun fact about this, if the economy was in a traditional recession or indeed heading that way, chances are this number would be heading in the opposite direction and showing job cuts were growing. So perhaps this is a sign of support for #TeamOver. We also had weekly jobless claims out yesterday. This appears to have topped out around the 250,000 mark. We had 232,000 new claims confirmed yesterday, and the previous week's number was also revised down too. But your focus needs to be on the non-farm forecast, and that is for 300,000 new jobs this month. You'll remember last time around that the data blitzed forecast, coming in at 528,000 new jobs. What you may not remember is that when the data came out last month, I was half cut on departure lounge champagne, having been bumped from my flight. You play the cards you're dealt, right? But anyway, I think the data may follow suit again this month, and I'm going to lead the charge for #TeamOver. So, slap your thigh and call me Levi. I'm in at 5:01. Good luck.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.